This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming where the dashboard will live, your profile, a company page, or a post. Once done, export the dashboard as a shareable PDF or high-quality image. Make sure it's under 15 MB and fits 1,200 times 627 pixels for best display. Next, write a concise description that highlights insights and pick relevant tags or team mentions to increase reach. This initial setup avoids rework and makes the upload immediate, efficient, and targeted toward your intended audience. You create the post from your profile or the company page admin area. Click the file icon to attach the dashboard PDF or image. Then paste the description and strategically mention teammates or add hashtags so the post surfaces to the right viewers. Make deliberate visibility choices, public for wide reach versus connections or specific groups for targeted sharing. If the dashboard links to a report, include the URL and explain what viewers will find there, because context drives clicks and engagement. You should always preview the post to confirm formatting and how it looks on mobile. Make adjustments if text or visuals are cut off. When satisfied, publish and then monitor engagement. Respond to comments promptly, as interaction boosts visibility. If you run into problems, try compressing the file or converting to PNG/JPG. Also verify you have admin rights on a company page. If the post still fails, retry after clearing cache or using a different browser, because permissions and file types are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.